This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Monday, so let's go straight to our daily analysis for NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So guys, as you know, this is Extra Hot. So my aim here is to help everyone to get the good service. So you know what I did? My VIP at the moment, guys, for everyone out there maybe who is struggling to join these groups, trading groups, so I just made it easy for everyone. You can join my one-time fee here for only $25. It's a one-time fee, guys, only $25. Let me just show you that it's $25 one-time fee. So if you want my contacts, guys, don't ask people on the internet. It's like this: 07 3801. So I think I can do that again, or you know what, just check my description. You will just find my contacts very easily, or I will just do that again so that you can see. It's like, let me just use like something like red, which you can see is 27. This is a country code 739909801. Why? Because I see people, they refer people they refer other people on their WhatsApp number on the comments, on YouTube comments, which is not good. So remember, guys, we have scammers everywhere, so be careful with that. So it's still $25. So I thought I should just take 10 people, but now I think there's more people who want to join the team. There's more people who want to improve their lives. So why not just help more people? So maybe I can change someone's life. I don't know, but someday maybe someone will tell me that, man, you just changed my trading. So I think let's take it to 100 people, not 10 people. So $25 for 100 people. That way it's much better. You see, spread the word out there. If you want my contacts, check my description. Not someone's check the video's description. You'll find the contacts there. WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Everything is quite simple. Or you can join the Telegram group, so you can get free stuff there, system indicators and robots. So if you forgot to subscribe, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. And you know what, is Monday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ. So it's NASDAQ, guys, as you know. Let's go straight to like a daily time frame and see exactly what we can expect. So it seems like, the way I see it, it seems like NASDAQ still has to go lower a little bit before maybe we can see another pull. But here you can see we have this support here. We can just extend that. Let's extend this and make it something like this. You can see it does make sense. So guys, make sure your lines make sense. Don't force them. If you force them, then I think you'll be doing something wrong. This is a zone. It's a double line, guys. Double lines. I hope you guys will just join the team. You see, it's a double lines like this. Remember, this is a daily time frame, and this is a very strong support. This is a very strong support. You can see that. Let me change the color. It's a very strong support. You can see here, you can see even here. So I'm expecting the same thing. You can see the market was just doing something like this. I'm expecting the market to also repeat that and do something like this, you see, and then push up. I understand this is a very big time frame. It's a daily, so it's very big because these are the days. We can still have some nice buys around this area, but I think the market can still push lower, something like this. We had some nice buys along the way, but I think the market can still push lower, you see. on a daily time frame, because when we do the 4-hour time frame, still we have to see the market going lower. I think the market still has to push lower, unless if maybe the market won't respect that. But even if we draw something like this, it is still going to make some sense. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see what we can expect from there, you see. Okay, so here we are on a 4-hour time frame, guys. So on a 4-hour time frame, we can try to add our trend lines and see. When I'm talking about trend line, I'm talking about those those resistance and support. So let's try to draw that. Let's start from here. Let me change this color. I want you to see. This can also make sense, but did you see that on a bigger time frame, guys? Actually, it shows us that the market has to push lower. Maybe something like this. Yeah, something like that. Let me just remove this. So from this area, you can see that, okay, we have our strong support here. And remember, we still have another support here, which is an inner support, but it's a bit stronger because this is a 4-hour time frame. So it means from this area we can see the market pushing up, or the market can break this area. So for you to buy on this area, actually we have to confirm with the market. I think maybe it has to go lower a little bit before it can push up, but maybe this can happen when the market opens. So what you can do here is you just wait for the market to confirm with your analysis. Then when it bounces back here, it's where you're going to get your buy, because I see the market is not here yet. So it's something like this here. Sometimes we have to miss this opportunity because they are not clear. It means you won't get every opportunity out there. So some they have to really come close to our support before we can say now it's time to buy, when we see that bullish momentum pushing up, you see. But if that doesn't happen, guys, we can see the market breaking this area and going lower. Why? Because we saw that on a bigger time frame, which is a daily time frame, we saw that the market is actually pushing lower. But on a bit smaller time frame, we saw that, okay, we see that the market is like pushing up. But let's wait for the market to really come close to our support and see what's really happening. Why? Because this is a crucial time, guys. If you just jump on the market can just sell off on your account, then you just lose everything, you see. So we don't want to lose anything. What we can do is we just stuck to our analysis or our strategy and see what we can expect. Because if you follow a strategy, it's much easier. When you lose, it's much easy. You understand why you lost. But if you don't really follow a strategy, you just things just happen and you're not really sure what happened. But if you know that I applied my strategy, this and this happened, so it's where you're going to improve your strategy, because you applied everything and you saw maybe a loop that you were not sure about. So this is a support, guys. You can see. So this one was very short. Actually, I mean, the market did not reach here. So on this one, obviously it's better let's miss this one. Unless the market comes very closer, we will look for a nice bullish momentum, then we can take a buy. But if that doesn't happen, obviously here you don't even have to take a buy, just place those buy pending orders. So here also, if the market breaks here, it's where maybe we will know that, okay, now it's time to sell, because we've broken this for our time frame support, you see. But when the market creates something like this, relax, wait for the market to reach this area, because when it reaches this area, the market, you see how big moves the market will make when it reaches those areas. Look at this, you see. So I hope maybe you understand that. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see maybe maybe we can see, oh, already we are on an hour. I thought maybe we were on 2 hours. So it's fine, it's fine. I think maybe overview for today is when we can wait for the market to reach this area, or if it doesn't reach this area, maybe we already missed that, because it might be something like this one, so where the market will just push up without even coming closer to the support, which is fine, guys. This will improve your patience when to allow the market to do its thing. Don't chase the market. Then when opportunity like this comes, you won't miss them, because why? You can see how many candles came here. It's one, two, so many, maybe almost six. So you were going to get into those positions, and you were going to make a nice profit. Sometimes you're going to miss that, it's fine, but the overall picture is you stick or you stay with your strategy, and you apply your trading plan. The biggest thing here is the trading plan, guys. Don't just trade without any plan, because the market will just punch you in the face. That's why 70 to 80 people of traders, they lose, and I think those are the millions of people. So obviously we need those people to lose, because we can able to have money fluctuating, so that we can make money. If everyone is winning, obviously it means we won't have enough money on the market. So we need people to lose, because they don't really want to listen. So if they lose, we will just use their money. Whatever that we buy, actually it's your money. If you don't apply your risk management, you don't apply your trading plan, you don't have self-discipline, so actually we just spending your money, and it's bad, guys. I hope you improve. So let's go to US30 and see what so even US30 is trying to bounce back. So let's try it on 4-hour time frame. Whoa, I did not see this one. I drawn this, I think maybe it was Sunday, I don't know. Yes, it's yesterday when I do the weekly analysis. I see exactly on that support, this thing is pulling, so it's respecting that area. I think maybe we should have sent the signal on this one. Let me just send the signal quicker. So I did talk about this area on, I think it's yesterday, on my weekly analysis. So let's go to a bit bigger time frame and start that afresh. I missed this one. But I see it was a very nice one. You can see I saw this area. It's a potential area, and even this one. So I said if the market breaks this area, then we can see the market maybe coming and respecting this area. But the market is respecting this area, and now is pushing higher and higher. So for US data, I think it's much better, because at least it did breathe for a little bit, so we can see the market consolidate, but the overall picture is the market will just push higher. You see, the market will just push higher. I hope you understand that. So here, the overall picture here for today, not for this week. So I'm thinking that if now it's this area it's respected, I think US30 will consolidate, but going up slowly. I don't think maybe it will just go up very quickly. But if maybe now this is a fake move, maybe we'll see it maybe pushing lower again. Maybe it will respect the market at 32,000. 32,000, maybe around this area. Unless if maybe it will, at the moment it's on 33,310. So I think if it does push, I don't think maybe it will reach this area at 32,000. So I think maybe it will just continue playing around this area, but I think today we can reach like 34,000. That one I think it can reach. It's not a bit far. I think the market can reach that area. But let's go to a bit smaller time frame. I want to see something. This is just perfect, guys. So it means our target should be at like 33,000 810, let's say. Yeah, 33,800. So our target should be around this area. Why? Because we also have a resistant area here, so we still have to break that before we can say now now we are on a very nice bullish momentum. So actually this can be can also be like a long, sorry, a swing trade where you can just hold this for weeks. I think the market can still push higher. Why? Because this is a lower area that everyone was looking for, guys. I want these areas where I can just hold the positions longer, but the market doesn't really come easily here. So when you see the market here, guys, it's time to be happy. Please, with that smallest lot size, when it gets into profit, reduce your stop loss until you lock your profit, then let it run, let it run. I think it will just push until maybe we reach even 34,000, maybe 34,600, somewhere there. So at the moment I think US30 is going to be bullish. I see that maybe, I don't think it will just push straight up. I think maybe it will just consolidate going further, because here there is a resistance. If it's broken, we can see another bullish momentum going higher, you see. So let's go straight to gold and see what we can expect from gold. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget that we have a special VIP one-time fee. Just listen to that. One-time fee only $25. Where can you get that? You also get this daily analysis for free, guys. Everything's already for free, so yeah, it's up to you. So here it's gold, guys. So on gold we can see that we are on a very strong bearish momentum. So from here, what we expect from here, this is a daily, I just wanted to show you this is a strong bearish. You saw this trend lines like days before. So let's go a bit to a 4-hour and see, maybe we can see something. Auto, I still remember telling you guys, be careful with moves like this, where the move will just do something like this. You will think maybe the market is pushing up, but actually it's showing you that I'm a downtrend. I'm going lower, guys. I'm going lower. This is just small retest or rejection, but it's where you can just scale up when, if you are selling, you see. So you can see even here something like that, something like this. I don't know if maybe here it will do something like that, but you can see from these areas the market was just creating moves like that to show us, guys, I'm really going down. That is a very nice and clear retest to show you that this is a very bearish momentum. If you don't know, you will think maybe the market is now pushing up. When you buy, you're going to lose. Here, when you buy, you're going to lose. I talked about something like this. It was here, obviously. Now it's here again. I think the market can create something like that until we reach maybe, we reach our, I don't know, our resistance, so our support around these areas, which is 1660 or 1670. At the moment, even if we can say we can buy, I see this area, but I don't think maybe that will help at the moment. So we just have to wait for the market to give us some clear movements. Let me just check on a different time frame. Maybe we will see something. Maybe this area, yeah, I think this area can be something. Okay, I see that, But these areas, guys, don't let them fool you, because every time if you do anything and you look at your left, I understand sometimes we have to look on our left, but on a bigger picture you can see this is a bearish momentum. So every time when you look to your left, sometimes the market will just fool you. These points, they will always be there. These points, they will always be there. So it means if you just force to look at your left, you will always find something. And that something doesn't mean that the market will respect. But I can see even this one, it seems like it can respect that. But remember, guys, even if you check here, there was also something like that. Even here, there was also something like that. If you draw them going to your left, so sometimes you have to avoid looking to your left, because the market, when it moves, it will create this resistance, support, resistance. So when you move away from that, every time when you look to your left, you will see this type of moves, and you will think maybe the market will just respect that. Sometimes it's not a point. Please don't just focus on that only. On a bigger time frame, we saw that this can still sell off, you see. So for you maybe to say now I'm doing that, you can wait for the market to come and retest that again, respect that area again, then we can say now we saw that this is a recent low. So if maybe it comes back again, then we can say we can buy. Why? Because the market always creates something like this. So if we always do something like that and see, look to the left, the market retested, what about this one, what about this one, what about this one? Because these are all the left that we have. It's our left side, so is on the left side. So you should also look at this. What about here? If the market reaches this area, what about this area? You see, so make sure that the market respect that area, maybe bounce back again. When it comes here, you can see, okay, we have a recent lower low. Then here it means it can respect this area, then we can push up again. Don't just look at this without any reason. So the biggest thing is, on the bigger time frame, it shows us that it's going to go down. If it doesn't go down, I think we're going to have another retest around this area before we can say now we're pushing up. I hope maybe you understood everything, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. The group is still open. $25 one-time fee, VIP group. Let's eat together, guys. We're not supposed to be selfish when we start to make money. So the slot is I reserved your space. Talk to me if you want to be in the group. So with that, we can eat together. I don't want scammers in my group, guys, because there's people who just join the group so that they can talk stuff in my group, so that they can fool other people to join them. We had that stuff happening in my group, but if you do that, I'm going to remove you and with no refund. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex Bow.